In just a few minutes, I can prove to you that you're a better UX designer than you think. You're actually a better designer than some of the designers in Google. How do I know that? I try to do the most basic action in one of my YouTube videos. After posting my last video on this channel, I wanted to add it to this playlist that talks about UX for beginners, and it's supposed to be really easy because that's like one of the actions that creators will do over and over again. You know, we want to add videos to our playlist. This is my dashboard on YouTube Studio. As you can see, we're already reaching 1,500 subscribers. First of all, thank you so much to anyone that has subscribed and liked my videos up until now. It really warms my heart. So if you want, subscribe to this channel, like this video. It really helps me to reach more people and grow on YouTube. Let's continue. This is my channel dashboard. This is the video that I wanted to add to a playlist. First of all, I went to my content, right? Because here I can see all of my videos, and I click these three dots and I can't add to the playlist from here. If I'm just gonna go to my normal YouTube, I can add any video that I want to save to my playlist. That's why I thought it would be in the three dots. By the way, this is my second channel. It's not about UX, but it's Yaeli Barkai if you want to go check it out. But back to our story. It's not in the three dots. I can't add this video to my playlist from here. I tried also to edit, but it's nothing in here takes me to the playlist. So I'm like, okay, let's go to the playlist tab, right? And here, as you can see, I currently have 3 playlists. This is the playlist that I wanted to add that video. So I'm like, okay, maybe here I can edit it on YouTube. Okay, what happens when I edit here? I can only edit the details. Oh, and I can add the videos. I can't, why don't I have a plus button here to add a video to this playlist? Like, why? Please let me know in the comments. Like, isn't it crazy? So you can see that both here and both on the outside, I had like edit on YouTube. So I'm like, okay, maybe I need to go, because now I'm in YouTube Studio. Maybe I need to go to YouTube to add this video, right? We're gonna click that and I'm like, okay, now I have all the videos here. How do I add another video to this playlist? By the way, I already edited, and that's why I thought of making this video, because it was absurd. I don't even remember how I eventually edited, but let's just continue. You can see I have a few edit icons. The first one, okay, this is just the title. The second one is going to be just for the description, which I actually need to add. I think it's going to be better for YouTube. And only when I click these 3 dots, I have add video. Add all to? What does it mean? Add all to? What's add all to? Oh, add all these videos to another playlist. Okay. Add videos. And only now I can select, first of all, why this model is white when I'm in like dark. This is a very ugly UI, I'm sorry. Whatever, only now I can select videos to my playlist, but that's not it. If I click on that, you saw that it's already there. I'm gonna add this video, and now it's added twice in this playlist instead of telling me which videos already exist in the playlist. That is my proof to you. I'm sure that if you would have designed this, you would design it better than Google. I know that I have the option to go to, you know, my homepage and add videos from here, but I spend a lot of time on YouTube Studio, and I want to be able to do everything on YouTube Studio. It's really annoying. I hate this UX so much. I swear, every time I try to add a video to my playlist, I need to play this hide and seek over and over again, because I genuinely don't remember how I get it done. Anyway, let me know what you thought about it in the comments. And as I said, please subscribe to my channel if you want to be a better UX designer than Google. No, I'm kidding. No shade to any designers. Sometimes we make mistakes. I make mistakes in my design as well. It's a part of being a designer. You know, we're not perfect. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.